Hello cool people, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is Math Olympiad questions. Let's see, what is the first question here? Shiny bought a bouquet of flowers. 1/3 of them were blue and 1/4 of them remainder were red. The rest were yellow. If she had 10 red flowers, how many yellow and blue flowers did she have in all? Read the question carefully and understand it, what they given, what we have to find it. We have to find how many yellow and blue flowers did she have in all. Let's see how to solve this problem. Total flowers equals to x, because we don't know the total flowers, so let's assume that x. Blue flowers equals to 1/3 of x, because they given in the question. Remaining flowers equals to x minus 1/3 of x. 3x minus 1/3 equals to 2/3 of x. Red flowers equals to 1/4 multiplied by 2/3 of x. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. 1/6 of x. We know there are 10 red flowers. 1/6 of x equals to 10. X equals to 60. Now that we know total number of flowers, blue flowers equals to 1/3 of 60. 3 1s are 3, 3 20s are 60. Yellow flowers equals to total minus blue minus red. We know all the values. 60 minus 20 minus 10 equals to 30. Total blue flowers and yellow flowers, 20 plus 30 equals to 50. So Shiny had 50 blue and yellow flowers in all. For a clear understanding, let's review the full solution again. Take a few seconds to go through the entire video and see how I solve this math problem. The second question is, 2 identical pens and 4 identical scales cost is 264 rupees 20 paise. 3 identical pens and 3 identical scales cost is 255 rupees 90 paise. Find the total cost of 6 identical scales. So we have to find the total cost of 6 identical scales. Let's see how to solve this problem. Let the cost of one pen be P and the cost of scale be S. From the first statement, 2p plus 4s equals to 264.20. From the second statement, 3p plus 3s equals to 255.90. This is the second equation. Now let's solve the 1 and 2 equation. Multiply the first equation by 3 and the second equation by 2. 6p plus 12s equals to 792.60. 6p plus 6s equals to 511.80. Now subtract the second equation from first equation. So 6p minus 6p will get cancelled. 6s equals to 280.80. 6s equals to 280.80. S equals to 280.80 divided by 6. So S equals to 46.80. Now we need to find the total cost of 6 identicals. Now we came to know each scale cost. 6x equals to 6 multiplied by 46.80. 280.0. So the total cost of 6 identical scales is 280 rupees 80. If you have any doubts, please ask me in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.